Hey guys, it is Saturday and I'm at the shop. Seems like I'm always at the shop, but I'm just in a bad mood today. But we did finally finish the brackets on the 2001 Yamaha 1100. So that's done. I still have to do all the body work and sand this whole thing down. And this way we're going to do an oil change on it, get it all ready to go. And I believe I'm going to sell the thing. I don't know. I'm kind of flip-flopping back and forth on this. So we got Mr. Tommy's car finished. As far as that, we still have to clear it. Once we clear it, it'll be ready to go and I can ship it to him. We've got the 400 ready to be started and run. I'm hoping there's no more issues with that. This way I can sell that puppy. The top is still not fully on. We had to get the back pieces. If you notice how much space there is, it's because we tried to save the gentleman a couple of bucks, Mr. Paul, and I built the tack strips myself. Well, what they don't tell you is you need a tack strip that's at least 1 inch wide, or 3/4 to 1 inch, and then one that they sell you is 1/4 inch wide. So it's just not going to work. Then we've got the Roadrunner. This side's all completely done. We have all the inner mechanisms here all welded in, ready to go. And we've got the I've got the top cut. I'm going to now make the final welds on that and on this and get the back all welded and fixed. We've come across something on this that I am having a little problem accepting, and I'm not going to accept it. So I'm going to modify it and kind of round off the metal. I'm not sure if you can. Let me put the light on and see. This piece here is very square, and this piece has got a rounded part to it. Well, I'm basically going to fix all this, get this all lined up real beautifully, and then I got some information from Mr. Dave. The way you fill that gap up is there is a lip that bends down, one that bends downward, and then one that bends downward on the other side. You kind of bring them together and do the work that way. So that's how we're going to do this. Pretty much still on cleanup, trying to get this damn place functionable. And I don't know. I need to be away from here today because I'm ready to lose my damn mind. And like I said, I'm in a pretty foul mood today, so that's the way it is. You guys like and subscribe, and I'm going to talk to you later.